Look up at the night sky. You see stars, planets, maybe a distant galaxy. But what about the darkness between them? We're taught that space is a perfect vacuum, a void, but that's an illusion. The space between stars isn't empty at all. It's filled with the interstellar medium, a thin soup of gas and dust. It's the birthplace of stars and the graveyard of dead ones. The darkness you see is not an absence, but a realm of potential. This is the interstellar medium, the hidden character in the cosmic drama. The story of the universe is written not just in the stars, but in the space between them. So, what's in this cosmic soup? Mostly gas, about 99%, and most of that is hydrogen, the universe's simplest element. The rest is helium, with a trace of heavier elements. This gas exists in different states, cold and clumpy in giant molecular clouds, or hot and ionized, glowing faintly. The remaining 1% is cosmic dust, tiny grains of silicate and carbon forged in dying stars and scattered through space. These grains block and scatter starlight, creating the dark lanes in the Milky Way. There's another ingredient, cosmic rays. These are high-speed particles, not light, accelerated by supernova explosions. They zip through the galaxy, carrying immense energy, stirring up the interstellar medium and changing its chemistry. Together, gas, dust, and cosmic rays form a dynamic ecosystem. Gas fuels star formation, dust seeds planets, and cosmic rays add energy and chaos. The space between stars is anything but sterile. It's messy, active, and creative. It's the womb of stars and the cradle of planets. Here, the story of the cosmos is constantly rewritten. The interstellar medium is a web connecting everything in our galaxy. It's the engine of cosmic evolution. The void is alive with creation. Let's focus on cosmic dust, the universe's tiny architects. Though just 1% of the interstellar medium, these grains are the seeds of planets. In the disks around young stars, dust grains stick together, growing from specks to pebbles, rocks, and eventually planetesimals, the building blocks of worlds. Without dust, there'd be no rocky planets, no Earth, no us. These grains are also cosmic laboratories, where atoms meet and form molecules, even complex organics, the building blocks of life. These molecules hitch rides on comets and asteroids, delivering ingredients for life to young planets. But dust also conceals. It blocks visible light, creating dark nebulae like the Horsehead Nebula. For centuries, these dark patches baffled astronomers, until we looked in infrared and saw stars hidden behind the dust. Dust is both creator and concealer, building new worlds while hiding others from view. What we see is only a fraction of what's out there. Every dark rift in the Milky Way is a curtain of dust, a construction site for future stars and planets. The universe is full of hidden wonders, waiting to be revealed. Cosmic dust shapes the cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. The next time you see a dark patch in the sky, remember, it's not emptiness, but potential. The universe's greatest secrets are often hidden in plain sight. Now let's turn to the gas, the other 99% of the interstellar medium. Gravity gathers it into enormous clouds, some hot and diffuse, others cold and dense. The coldest, densest are giant molecular clouds, stellar nurseries stretching hundreds of light years, with enough material to form millions of stars. Inside, dust shields the gas, allowing it to cool and clump. Atoms bind into molecules, mostly hydrogen, but also water, ammonia, and more. In the densest cores, gravity slowly pulls material together until nuclear fusion ignites. A star is born. The newborn star's winds and radiation blow away the surrounding gas, revealing itself to the universe. This process is happening right now, in places like the Orion Nebula. We see bright young stars, others still wrapped in dusty disks and dense clumps on the verge of collapse. These clouds are the engines of galactic renewal, turning old material into new stars. The cycle of birth, life, and death is the rhythm of the cosmos. The interstellar medium is where the galaxy reinvents itself. Every star's story begins in these hidden nurseries. Beyond gas and dust, cosmic rays are the universe's ghostly messengers. These high-speed particles, born in supernova explosions, travel near light speed, carrying immense energy. They heat interstellar gas, spark chemical reactions, and constantly stir the cosmic pot. Cosmic rays even reach Earth, adding to our background radiation. Their paths are twisted by magnetic fields, making their origins mysterious. Scientists use giant detectors to catch these fleeting particles, each one a message from the universe's most extreme events. Cosmic rays remind us that even the emptiest space is alive with invisible energy. The interstellar medium creates some of the sky's most stunning sights. The pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula are towering columns of gas and dust, stellar nurseries where new stars are born, hidden inside. Fierce radiation from nearby stars is eroding these pillars, a race against time for the stars forming within. The Pleiades, or Seven Sisters, is a young star cluster wrapped in a blue haze. That haze isn't leftover birth material. It's a reflection nebula, as the cluster passes through an unrelated dust cloud. The dust scatters blue light, just as our atmosphere makes the sky blue. These nebulae show the interstellar medium's beauty and chance encounters. The cosmos is full of such grand coincidences. The interstellar medium is everywhere, shaping what we see. Its structures are both fleeting and magnificent. The universe's artistry is written in dust and light. How do we study something so faint and invisible? Astronomers use clever techniques. Radio telescopes detect the faint 21-centimeter signal from cold hydrogen, mapping the galaxy's structure. Molecular clouds reveal themselves through unique radio fingerprints of molecules like carbon monoxide and water. Starlight passing through the interstellar medium leaves absorption lines, chemical fingerprints, in its spectrum. Infrared telescopes like James Webb peer through dust to reveal newborn stars. X-ray telescopes show us the hottest, most violent regions. By combining all these views, we piece together the hidden world between the stars. The invisible becomes visible through science. The interstellar medium is turbulent, shaped by stellar weather. Massive stars blow powerful winds, carving out vast bubbles in the gas and dust. Clusters of massive stars create superbubbles, triggering new waves of star formation. The most dramatic event is a supernova, an explosion that sends shock waves racing through space, heating gas to millions of degrees. These shock waves enrich the medium with heavy elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, the building blocks of planets and life. Stellar winds, bubbles, and supernovae keep the interstellar medium in constant flux. This galactic weather system drives the evolution of the galaxy. The void is a place of perpetual storms and renewal. Why does this matter? Because the interstellar medium is the link in the cosmic cycle of matter. Stars are born from its gas, fuse elements in their cores, and return enriched material when they die. The atoms in your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, were forged in ancient stars and scattered into space. Gravity gathered that material to form our sun, Earth, and us. As Carl Sagan said, "We are made of star stuff." The interstellar medium makes that possible, connecting us to the cosmos. This cycle continues. New stars and planets are forming right now from enriched clouds. The universe is always reinventing itself. When you look at the night sky, remember, you're seeing the past, the future, and the cosmic reservoir that connects us all. Space isn't empty. It's full of history, potential, and us.